thought I would do washing machines. You got certain dates in the late 1700s. They've got scrubber boards, then the 1850s to now, and some of the washing machines in the 1930s look very like the ones we've got today. But oh yes, this, right, I just want to say, how could this be happening? If, oh, and that one is the Tsar of Russia. I just thought, yeah, that's messing around. But that woman, how could she do that if they have to sit there? There she is. So, rare photographs of Victorians being funny. Okay. But what happens when, so how long does she have to sit there pulling that face? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Come on. So that thing about having to sit there ages waiting for a photograph to be taken can't be right. And then you're going to get those people that will say, oh, well, that's the reason. It's because it took so long to take a photograph. But it wouldn't be able to happen. How would she be able to keep this face? She wouldn't be able to do it. She just would not be able to do it. Anyway, let's move on. So what it is we're just going to take a quick look at all the photographs I could find from old to new, and thanks to this channel I took some pictures off his channel because he had them all there. I hope he doesn't mind. I haven't taken his footage or anything, but let's watch the rest of the video, and thanks very much.